Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Dash. I'm here at RSVP Gallery Chicago, and today we are unboxing the Air Force One Cactus jacket. So before we get into this Air Force One, let's talk about Travis. He's day one, RSVP Gallery family. He came and pulled up to the Raf Simons photo shoot, made it iconic in 2014. He also collaborated with RSVP Gallery for the rodeo tour merchandise. In 2017, Travis pulled up to Chicago for his first Air Force One release to commemorate the AF100. So with Travis's first collab, it came with the Interchangeable Swooshes, the customized patches on the left and the right shoe. At the Air Force One 100 celebration, he actually came and personally dyed his own pair, which kind of had the internet going crazy because it was in a cool green, nice with the canvas mixed in colorway. And in 2018, Travis dropped the same model, but in a sail colorway with the interchangeable swooshes and the patches that go over the laces. This brings us now to this Air Force One that Travis designed, which is something completely new and fresh. With the box, we see that he has cut out the side almost like a window, exposing the Cactus Jack records in Russian, which is pretty cool. On this side, you see he has the Scarecrow's trademark, which is his own personal Cactus Jack touch. And on the other side, we see it's this vintage rock kind of barbed wire font saying Cactus Jack across the side. And in the box itself is a nice muted tan color with a bright Nike blue on the top with the swoosh. Enough about the outside of the box, let's get into the inside. Okay, we still have the Cactus Jack records in Russian on the outside of the tissue paper, which is cool. Okay, it looks like it took a long time for this shoe to be made. It's a lot of details, a lot of material. Instantly, you can see that this shoe is an ode to Travis's hometown, Mo City, Texas. This is a shoe obviously made by someone who's from Texas. It's a lot of durable material on here. It's a lot of Southwestern implements. You have burlap and the wool. You have some suede on the front. Once again, this really nice leather. You have like a corduroy. This material here is kind of like, reminds you of a workman's coat, like a Carhartt or a Dickies jacket. And you can see in the patterns and the panels that the barbed wire and the Russian print are like kind of mingling. There are brass buckles on the back. One on the right shoe, there's a Texas for TX for Texas. And on the left, it says MC for Mo City. Gum sole, once again, another thing that Travis has used is for all of his Air Force Ones. There's a sail midsole, and it's an interesting mint threading going in between the actual shoe and the midsole, which is cool. The lace cover, which I'm pretty sure this is like one of the first things people notice about the shoe. It looks like it's meant to be on, but you can totally take it off because it's laced inside of it. It reminds you of a jacket. It exposes the tongue, which is made out of flannel. Kind of reminds you of actually wearing a coat and, you know, exposing whatever you're wearing underneath. So looking at all of the different components of the shoe, it kind of reminds me of a What the Dunk, but an Air Force One, because there's so many different types of materials and colors and all of that going on. And if you have any idea why people are using the Russian so much nowadays, like, feel free to let us know, drop it in the comments. I'm really curious to see how people are gonna style this and dress it up because there's so much going on. You can go in a couple different directions. So if you do get your hands on a pair, tag us in your fit pick, we'll check it out. Let's head over to the shop, pick a fit, and style these up. So as you can see, with this shoe, I decided to go with the Cav Imp joggers, Capital Fleece, Capital Puffer Vest, and the Cav Imp ball cap. There's so many things you can do with it, playing on the patterns and the material and the colors, so you can't really lose. So there you have it. episode 3 with unboxing RSVP. Make sure you follow us on the gram, follow me on the gram, like, comment, and subscribe, and that's a wrap.